Man, what a foggy morning it's been here on the beach. And yeah, it was a little bit worse than that about 6 o'clock. It's about 8:30, 8:45. And yeah, it was real foggy. Still a little breezy, a little chilly out. It's probably about 57, 56, somewhere in there, with a mild. A town called Carmen, Louisiana, on a beach called, no, it's Cameron. I always think it's Carmen. It's Cameron Beach in Cameron, Louisiana. Okay. There they go. They're starting to get antsy. Oh, that's how you guys want to play it, huh? The old guy wants to mess with us, so we'll just go out here in the water where it's too cold for him. All right, we'll just walk down to the rest of them here. There they go. Another time. Okay, this beach here, and the beaches here, especially in Louisiana, compared to Texas and Myrtle Beach, this one's got a lot of seashells. A lot. Okay, actually I'm parked on a bed of them up there. OG Sam the van, he's on all kinds of seashells. It's been raining here the last 3-4 days, but it hasn't been too bad. It was all bearable. Let's turn around and go check out this big old green thing over here. Somebody said it was some kind of escape pod for one of the oil rigs out here that washed ashore. I don't know. It looks like we're not going to be crossing over to this supposedly escape pod unless I can find someplace to get across without getting wet. It's not. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, what am I thinking? I'm not. Here's a spot right here. And it's high and dry. Okay. As you can see, the way the sand is, that there's like a little river here, and yeah, it's all flowing back out into the ocean. Well, we all know why, because the ocean's the lowest spot in the inland, so everything's going to rush to it. Okay. I guess we could call it the Escape Pod Lake. Now, this was here the last time I was here, about 2 weeks ago. No, a little longer than that, about a month ago, actually. And I never came down this far. I did my generator video, and thank you everybody who watched it. If you need more information on that kind of generator, a gas and propane generator, let me know and I can answer your questions. Just leave them in the comments below, and I'll reply back to you. This thing's pretty big, and it's been here for a while. Rob has been here on 6/19/25. Good for you, Rob. That is no escape pod. Nothing like I've ever seen. Yeah, that's totally something different. Anybody knows exactly what this is and has got more expertise than I do, please comment on the comments. And yeah, I'd be interested to know exactly what this is. So, all right. Well, that's the morning adventure. I know, everybody's been on pins and needles over it. Okay, so I hope everybody had a good Thanksgiving like I did, spending it with family and friends. It's as the older you get, the more important Thanksgiving becomes. When I was a kid and that, it was just the way to eat some really good food and have some fun because we didn't go to school. But now that I'm older and that, I realize spending time with your family, friends, and sharing a meal and talking and having some fellowship with family is probably the most important holiday of the year, as far as I know, or as far as I'm concerned. But in any case, hope you all made it home okay. If you traveled, if you went somewhere and spent it with family, leave me a comment. I'd like to know where you spent it and how it went. So anyways, it's been raining here in this beach, and it just got busy today. I've been here for about 3 days, and it's now just gotten people coming up and down the beach today, more than we've had since I've been here and stuff. So yeah, I'm back. Love the ocean here on the Gulf, and yeah, this green thing right here, somebody said it was a escape pod for an oil rig, but as I look at it, I don't really think so. Okay, it's the entrances to it are all welded shut. I don't know how you're going to escape in it if it's all welded shut. I guess you ride it down to the water, huh? On top. So if you know what it is, leave a comment. I'd like to know what it is, but it definitely is no escape pod for the oil rigs out here. Yeah, it warmed up today for a change, and the sun came out. Ended up being a nice day. All I did today was pretty much chill out in the van. It was just a little bit chilly, but not much. So I noticed something outside the side doors here, and seemed like it was pretty interesting. So yeah, I videotaped it, and hope you like it. Let me know in the comments. So I hope you like the sand crabs. They're always fun. Everybody I know of, at least, loves Cheez-Its. And evidently, so does sand crabs. So, any case, it was fun to watch. And it's getting up to about 4:30. It's usually about time to close up because the mosquitoes out here, oh my God, they're huge. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please like, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.